All right. I've been kind of working on clearing out the old plumbing, and the old plumbing is copper. Now, you're probably wondering, why in the world is he taking out copper pipe to put in PEX? Well, let me show you why. As I was going through looking at it, I have a burst pipe right there. I'm not going to compromise the whole house, believing that the rest of it's fine. I can just fix that one spot. So they're all coming out, which the junk man likes because it's copper. And I've got all the heavy pieces of water line down. Just got to cut them down to shorter pieces so I can get them out. And then start running the PEX water line first to the bathroom and kitchen on the apartment where we'll be at, as well as to the half bath, which will be over by the workshop. Now let me show you one more thing I've done that I really, really like. You see this here chimney? Kind of a pretty chimney there. Well, it goes up through my workroom. Now, in the workroom is right there. But I don't like that. So I'm taking it off and I'm going to expose it. I'm going to take it all the way to the ceiling, clean it up, fix the roof up there, make sure the roof's not leaking, fix the ceiling right there, better way of putting it. Then I'll have this that I can clean up and seal, and it'll be a beautiful part of my workshop or someone else's room eventually if we ever decide to sell. So I'll get back with y'all when things are going on that. So talk to you later.